Seek to understand your partner's greatest fears.
With our eyes. Only you can do it. Annika's worst fear is snakes.
You take weeks to lift your stone. You can't bend water, and now you lie to me?
I think so.
Your worst fear makes such sense. Even if you were a beauty, still no one would love you.
I've been here for weeks and can barely do shit.
Why are you here, you?
I'm really good.
You can read me, if you like.
Do that, I want to understand who he is, really.
It's not there.
You jellyfish.
These are things you love.
These are the things I thought you would love.
That was sweet. That's not gonna end well, right?
What your mother or your father?
What about them?
First baby.
Ow!
Get up.
Oh.
And welcome back, Piglet.
Come on, call by her name.
Lightning in a bottle.
That's impossible.
No, it's magic.
Can you not die if you're not succeeding?
She's still breathing.
Are you sure of that?
Move her eyes aside.
I did it.
Yes. Ew. Ooh.
What you did there was pathetic and dangerous. There are mages like Sabrina who ignore their emotion. And then there are mages like us who are consumed by them.
Like us? Yes.
But if I send you to advise a king and your precious little feelings get hurt when he won't listen and you submit to chaos, he dies, his people turn on us. You lie, you keep secrets, you succumb to emotion, to weakness.
See? That kind of moment during the first episode, they would have put a lot of music, a lot of things, like the actresses would be like, see? That's more subtle, I prefer that.
It's just a bar.
Everything you touch is strong.
He's been a vendor, king of the elves. Not a king, but not by choice. I felt for them. They were forced out of Dol Blathan. Forced? And were they chose? No, anyone that would chose to leave their home.
Okay.
Still gonna steal for them. And Posada will learn that we've been stealing. The humans will attack. Even chaos is polluted. Chaos is the same as it's always been.
That's really a thing, chaos?
Humans just adapt
That's
to better.
not just an expression, I mean.
The great cleansing humans call it.
Really? They did that?
I called it digging a mass grave for everyone I loved. If I bring my people down from these mountains, it would mean bowing to human sovereignty. They'll make slaves of us. Then go somewhere else.
Well, I don't have a map for this world,
Show
but can they really do that?
you are.
New generation. And better yet, who wish to fight.
Okay, you want war.
He's different. Like us.
It's not gonna kill you. Oh, the bard.
She
No,
knows
no.
about us. My worst fear is true. Still not enough. Even fear.
Who are you, really?
Do you know who skulls these are? These elves built Arathusa. Elves are the original sorcerers of the continent.
Okay.
The mages taught the first humans how to turn chaos into magic. The humans slaughtered them. So they could pretend power always belonged to them.
Humans.
Phenolite only grows where elder blood is spilled.
You did not eat the flower, but it worked.
How would you do that with your first job?
Where'd you go? Where'd your father? He was half-elf. Do you remember the Great Cleansing?
He died during.
Thousands of other bunch lost.
His blood is why I'm cursed with twisted spine. Why I'm on worth for Mars.
Oh. See, that's a relationship that they built in just one episode, but it's more subtle and real than during the first one.
Jennifer.
You're calling her by her name?
Does this mean I get to ascend? Listen for the knock.
You must be able to give me something.
Yes, I'm disappointed. Why do you want to know that about her? Oh! Calm down, you! Okay. Oh. I'm helping you again! Oh, you're there. What?
I'm fourth, Jennifer.
It was for her?
You tell my friend that you're still.
And illegal. Push your friend into the pool.
No.
Yes.
She's a convert. Flowers too.
Sometimes the best thing a flower can do for us is die.
Oh, fuck.
Just let us go and you give all of Netley's coin to the elves.
You did?
Philomandrel's limp not gift enough for you.
You're an elf.
You are?
I'm Dar.
You can speak?
I'm sorry.
That's not how it happened.
Nah.
Respect doesn't make history.
You're gonna do it? Okay. I preferred that episode, for sure. I'm not finishing this episode with some mixed feelings about it, like I was at the end of the episode 1. It was not too much, like during the first episode, that kind of scene, we had lines, big words, to express feelings, to express, I don't know how to say it in English, but c'était pas des phrases grandiloquentes, avec des grands mots, avec des grands moments, with big speeches, big heroic, moving speeches. No, that was not like that. It was more real, more sincere, more honest, more subtle, not really subtle, but at least not as too much as it was during the first episode. That's a relief for me, because now I can understand why people are liking this show, because of this universe, because of the rules of this universe. I'm still not understanding all of it. I have to be honest with that. I didn't read the books, so I think that I'm missing a lot of information to understand it all. I think that it's also made on purpose for the new viewers, for them discovering all of what is gonna happen and all of that during this season. I think that at the end of this season, I'm gonna have the main information that I need to understand this world. For now, I'm still discovering it, so I'm still discovering what humans can do, what witches can do, what witchers can do, what sorcerers can do, what happened between all of them, the wars that happened between all of them. So that's interesting. And also, I'm discovering new characters, their backgrounds, but also what can they do and what can happen to them. So that's interesting, and that was already interesting during the first episode, but the way of writing it and of presenting it to the viewers, to the new viewers like me, was too much too soon. Maybe it was more that, in fact, maybe I had the impression that it was too much, but if I would have read the books, I wouldn't have this impression. And maybe I was feeling that because for me, for a new viewer, for a new person who is discovering this world, it was too much too soon. Like if this episode, the first episode, would have been like the episode 6 or 7, it would have worked a lot more on me. Do you understand what I mean? Maybe it was just too much too soon, the first episode. This episode, during that episode, I never had a moment where I was like, that's it, we've got the message. No, because like I said during my intro and the review of the last episode, when you are writing a scene, presenting something, you want to give a message or give an information to your viewers, you can use some things, lines, musics, looks between your characters, ways of playing and stuff like that, but you just have to use some of them, not all of them. And right there during this episode, I had the impression that it was more working like that, like some of them, but not all of them. And it's really more interesting, I think, when you are a viewer, because the show is not thinking that you are so dumb that you have to have it all to understand it. I don't have to have it all to understand it. I don't have to have it all to really be involved into your show and with your characters. And I'm gonna say that it's even the contrary, at least for me. I need to be guided, with the story and with the emotions, but I don't need to be told to feel like that or to think like that. Do you understand what I mean? I need to be guided to understand the stories, to have some clues, about them, about the background, about what is gonna happen, and all of that. I need to be guided to have some emotions with musics that's gonna make me think that we're gonna have a moving moment, or with lines which are gonna make me feel like that because I'm gonna be in empathy with the characters. But I don't need to be told to sing like that because of that and that, and you are telling me like you have to sing like that because it's happening like that, because I'm telling to you that it's happening like that, that's it. No. And I don't need to be told also to feel like that because of the music, because of the actors being no. I want to feel like that because I'm guided to feel like that, and I want to follow you, into that path. Not because I'm forced to be like that. Do you understand the difference between those two things? I don't know if I'm going too far. Maybe. That's possible. But that's how I'm feeling right now, that this episode worked much more on me because I was not told to sing like that or to feel like that. About the characters, I found them all really interesting and I want to know more about them. I have the impression that we have still a lot of mysteries about all of them, about their pasts. Like The Witcher, of course, I want to understand how can he be like that now, what is his background, but the two girls, like the princess and the witch, it's almost like we are missing so much stuff about their past, about their parents, like the dad who is an half-elf, but also the dad and the mom who died so soon, Why did they die? How? We are missing some stuff about their backgrounds and I want to know more about them. I'm intrigued by them. I'm not loving them yet. I'm not I don't care really for them yet because I'm not in love with these characters, but I'm interested by them. I want to know more about them. So we'll see. About the storylines, I'm still lost, you know, because I'm just beginning this show and I didn't read the books, so I'm discovering also this world and the rules of this world, of this universe. So I'm still like, okay, I'm discovering it, I'm lost. Sometimes I'm lost, you know, when they are explaining things, I'm like, wow, what? You can do that? Really? It can be real? Okay, so if it can be real, so that's happening like that, you know, I'm still like that sometimes. I can see that we have something as a destiny between the Witcher and the princess. I think that this girl, the witch, she's gonna be important, but I don't know if she's gonna be important because she's gonna be a good character or a villain character. I'm still hesitating on that because we want to like her because of her past, because of what she lived and that was hard and all of that. We want to like her, but I can feel already that some things about her are maybe wrong, you know, maybe she can be an issue at some point. I don't know how, I don't know for who, but I have this feeling that, I don't know. We'll see about that. I really preferred that episode a lot because it was not as too much as the first episode was, because I'm beginning to be more involved, you know, into the show, to try to understand it. I saw myself, you know, trying to understand them and to understand it, so I know that when I'm beginning to do that, it means that I'm beginning to be involved into the show. I'm not involved with the characters yet. I think that it's just a question of time, you know, just leave me 2 more episodes and I think that I'm gonna be like that with them, involved with them also. You have to continue like that. I'm talking to the show. We are just following the characters, you know, we are just following them and we are discovering this world by them, and I love that. I love shows which are not taking big scenes, long scenes to explain, you know, how the world is working and all of that. No, we are discovering it with the characters and that's much more interesting. So yes, I like the show for now, for this episode. I think that I need 1 more episode, you know, to really like it, to be really sure that I'm gonna like it and that I'm gonna make reaction videos about it. You know me, you know that I'm not forcing myself to react during a show or to think stuff about a show. No, I'm honest with you. So for now, I'm still not sure that I'm gonna make reaction videos about it, but it's beginning to be good, you know, to be great. So I think that I just need 1 more episode to be sure. If you are watching this on YouTube, it means that I decided to watch this show. So yes, it's all for now for The Witcher. Maybe I'm gonna have time this afternoon to watch 1 more episode. I will see that. You will see that on another day. So it's all for The Witcher for you for today, and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.